Did you know that the average person spends about 2 hours a day on mundane tasks? That's like wasting an entire day every week. Imagine what you could do with that time if you could reclaim it. Today, we're diving into some ultimate life hacks that you absolutely need to try in 2024 to streamline your daily routines. Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. So, life hacks, they're those nifty little tricks that help us save time and boost our efficiency. Whether it's organizing your space, optimizing your time, or just making life a little easier, life hacks are all about working smarter, not harder. And let's face it, in 2024, we need every edge we can get with how fast-paced life is nowadays. So stick around as we explore some of the best new life hacks you can start using right away. All right, let's talk about some common frustrations we all face. You know those days when you can't find your keys, your workspace looks like a tornado hit it, or you're scrambling to complete tasks because you lost track of time? Yeah, we've all been there. Disorganization and inefficient habits can really drain our energy and productivity. And it's not just about being messy, it's about feeling overwhelmed by everything we need to do. A lot of us struggle with managing our time effectively, leading to stress and burnout. So how can we tackle these challenges head on? Well, that's where our life hacks come into play. Let's jump into some innovative life hacks that are going to change the game for you. First up, we've got the 2-minute rule. If a task takes less than 2 minutes to complete, just do it right away. This helps prevent that overwhelming task list from piling up. And trust me, it works wonders. Next, let's talk about meal prep. Spend a couple of hours on Sunday planning and preparing your meals for the week. Not only does this save you time during the week, but it also helps you eat healthier. You can create portion containers with different meals, so you'll always have something ready to go. Now, here's a fun one. Use a tension rod under your sink to hang cleaning supplies. It frees up space and keeps everything organized. You can easily see what you have and grab it quickly when you need it. Oh, and let's not forget about digital organization. Use folders and labels in your email to keep your inbox tidy. A clean inbox can reduce stress and help you find important messages faster. And here's a cool hack for your phone. Set reminders for specific tasks or even for taking breaks. It keeps you on track and ensures you don't burn yourself out by forgetting to take time for yourself. One more hack for you, use sticky notes for your goals and place them in visible areas. This visual reminder keeps you motivated and focused on what you want to achieve. And now for the most impactful life hack that can seriously change your productivity levels. Drumroll, please. It's the Pomodoro technique. This method involves breaking your work into intervals, usually 25 minutes long, followed by short breaks. This not only helps you stay focused, but also prevents mental fatigue. After 4 Pomodoros, take a longer break of about 30 minutes. This technique has been a game changer for so many people, and I guarantee it will help you tackle your tasks with renewed energy and focus. All right, let's quickly recap the awesome life hacks we covered today. We talked about the 2-minute rule, meal prepping, organizing your cleaning supplies, tidying up your digital life, setting reminders, and using sticky notes for motivation. Plus, the Pomodoro technique can really revolutionize how you manage your time. Give these hacks a shot, and I promise you'll see a difference in your productivity and overall happiness. Now, I want to hear from you. What are your favorite life hacks? Have you tried any of these? Or do you have some new ones to share? Drop your thoughts in the comments below. And if you found this video helpful, don't forget to hit that subscribe button for more valuable content. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.